How to create business account on Pinterest. Hello and welcome to Tech TV. I'm up with another quick and easy tutorial video on how you can create business account on Pinterest. For that, you'll have to open your Pinterest application on your mobile device first and navigate to the home page. Tap on the profile icon located at the bottom of the screen. Then click on the settings icon at the top of the screen to access your account settings. Here, click on account management section and look for convert to business account option. Select it. Here you will see convert account. Click on convert account. You will be prompted to enter the name of your business. Once entered, click on that next button. If you have a website for your business, you can add it here. If not, simply click on that second option, no website yet button below. Describe your business by selecting a relevant category from the options provided. Once done, click on next. If you are interested in running ads on Pinterest, you can select yes. But if not, choose the option I'm not sure yet. Then click on the next button to proceed. You follow the prompts and click on the next button a few more times. Congratulations, your business account on Pinterest is now created. You have successfully set up business account on Pinterest, unlocking features tailored for businesses to grow and engage with their audience. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video.